Are you a Hafiza?
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
So you know this ayah, right?
Yes,
That's
Alhamdulillah.
why you started continuing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good, mashallah. So continue from here and read 3, 4 ayat in good from Auzubillah. Start.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أولئك ما كان لهم أن يدخلوها إلا خائفين. لهم في الدنيا خزي ولهم في الآخرة عذاب عظيم. ولله المشرق والمغرب فأينما تولوا فثم وجه الله إن الله واسع عليم. وقالوا اتخذ الله ولدا سبحانه بل له ما في السماوات والأرض كل له قانتون
Hasbuk, hasbuk,
بديع.
mashallah, mashallah. Barakallahu fiki, wa fi walidayki.
آمين.
Subhanallah. Really, my eyes got wet by listening your qira'ah, and the what is coming after this ayah is very strong. And
Yeah.
how you read it, subhanallah. May Allah accept it from you, and may Allah make you and alima for that ummah. And may you
آمين.
become mothers of the pious scholars.
آمين.
That is very nice to listen qiraat from daughter Aisha, mashallah. Really, immediately I picked that you know the ayah because you continued immediately, mashallah. That is good. And that is mean your hafiza is very strong, because sometimes it is very difficult, even for the huffaz also, to continue an ayah from in between from somewhere. Yes, in that age, mashallah, your hifz is very strong. So you
Alhamdulillah.
should be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and especially to your parents, whom they guided you actually. And that is the best brought up of a child can become from the father and mother. That is the best thing the father and mother can give to their children. That is the best thing. Best than PhD, best than millions of money. This is the best thing that your father and your mother has connected you to the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The people wish to make it hifz until they die. But mashallah, Allah has showered blessing on you. So never waste his blessing. Always thankful to him. Always thankful to him. This is only because of Allah's blessing, special blessing on you. Never waste his blessing. Never waste your life in anything which is disliked by Allah. Because as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed you with this, so he can take back his blessing also by one mistake. Remember, you have no more responsibility on you, because you are amongst the people who make the Quran in their chest saved. So you have more responsibility on you. You have to protect it by all the means. I hope as your parents guided you, they will be surely guiding you. Always listen to their guidance. Always be thankful to them. Jazakumullahu khaira. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us all. Jazakumullahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.